What if I told you that right now, while you're scrolling through this video, somewhere in New York, a single bell rings every morning at 9:30, and that one bell decides whether millions of people around the world get richer or poorer that day? That's the power of the US stock market. Picture this. In 1997, if someone had invested just $1,000 into a small online bookstore called Amazon, that money would be worth over $2 million today. $1,000 into Apple in the early 2000s would now be worth hundreds of thousands. This isn't luck. This is the engine that built the modern American dream. And it's still running right now, while most people are too scared or too uninformed to even step inside. Every single day, companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Tesla move trillions of dollars across the globe. And ordinary people, teachers, students, drivers, nurses, are quietly becoming millionaires just by understanding one simple truth. The US stock market is the largest wealth creation machine in human history. But here's the question nobody talks about. Why do 90% of people who could be part of this story never even try? The truth is, the US stock market isn't just numbers on a screen. It's a reflection of human ambition, innovation, and risk, all moving together in real time. For over a century, the S&P 500, a basket of the 500 biggest companies in America, has averaged close to 10% returns every single year, turning patient investors into quiet millionaires, while loud traders chase quick wins and lose everything. This is the same market that turned a garage startup into Apple, a small e-commerce site into Amazon, and a search engine into Google. Companies that didn't just make their founders rich, but made ordinary early investors wealthy beyond imagination. Of course, it isn't free money. Prices crash, fortunes are lost overnight, and fear has wiped out as many dreams as greed has built them. But that's exactly why understanding this market matters more than ever. Because every recession in history has been followed by a recovery that made even more people rich than before. Right now, as you finish watching this video, the market is still open, still moving, still deciding who gets ahead and who gets left behind. The only real question left is, when the next chapter of this story gets written, will you be one of the names inside it or just another person who watched it happen?